That is why ishtu movies ali, part of movies ali, 65, 75-year-old could look like a 18-year-old boy, or a 18-year-old boy could look like a 70, 75, 80-year-old guy. So that only a makeup artist can only do it. So here we have a lady who is a professional makeup artist. With that, she believes that she is also educator and she is into so many multiple social services also. A huge round of applause for Shweta. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸೇವಾ ರತ್ನ ಅಂತ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್.